Yeah, what's good, YouTube family? It's a boy Kemo Commission, so I'm back with another video. And today I'm just gonna do something different. Maybe I'm just gonna talk. And I said, like, I just want to show my face a little bit more on my YouTube channel, but yeah, nonetheless, like, one day I'll do it. I'll be brave enough. So lately I've been trading German 30 or German 40, and I've been consistent with it. So basically, my win rate is like 70% overall, like, whenever I trade like German 30, and yeah, but by the way, your boy just 1025 and I made like 2.5% today. Actually, it was like during the course of this week. So I'll tell you the solutions to this trade and show you that my 10k funding challenge. Like in all, I made like 2.6%. No, actually that's not 2.6%. I made like 1.6% each times too. So basically, like on the 5k account, ne? So I made like 1.6% times 2 is 3.2, and I actually took like a loss of less than 0.5% in USD CAD. But nonetheless, like right now I'm focusing on Gementity. So I had a setup like about 2 weeks ago, and I wanted to take like myself on this supply zone, or even if like I was using 75% Fibonacci retracement tool zone, like I wouldn't have got mitigated in because it was somewhere around here. Yeah, but don't mind my voice, like I just said flu and been home the whole day. So yeah, so guys, like what I want to focus on is it necessary for us to keep on holding until like you hit our maximum take profit? Because I'm just trying to show you something. I've been taking losses on gold because I be like in deep profits, and then I try to hold, and then it returns back to my back to my entry point. So this is the German 30 that I had like during the week. On Monday I made profits, and then I said like people should put like stop loss below entry point or close profits. So I'm just trying to show you something on gold, right? So you see on gold, I've been in profits, and then it goes back to my entry point. It takes me out. This was like Euro JP. This one like hit our full take profit. Here it went into profits, and then took us out. Same thing as this zone. You see like gold here. It was on our supply zone, and we went into profits. I tried to hold up until like I missed my take profit, but then it took me out at the same time. As I'm saying, is it necessary for us to hold? Sorry guys, I have flu. So yeah, I'm just trying to be short as possible. So here what I heard was German dating, man. Oh, I love this pen. I won't lie. I just fell in love with it like recently. So yeah, this is the setup that I had. This is the setup that I had. I had my entry point at this point. I wanted to hold up until like maximum take profit, but I didn't hold it for maximum take profit. And the reason why I don't hold until I hit my take profit is because usually I swing, right? And I have this other 5k account that I got. Actually, it was a giveaway. That one was a giveaway after losing my instant funding account, because like I broke like 1% rule. So basically 1% rule means like on a single trade I shouldn't lose like more than 1% on a single position. So basically I can have like a goal setup and a goal setup, and I can lose like half. It doesn't mean like that's 1%, but like I can have like a gold position, a single gold position, and if it loses like 1%, I'm out. I've validated my account. I didn't understand that rule up until now, but yeah, nonetheless we move. So I had like a setup here, and then I exited somewhere around here, right? So basically like keep on staking my profits over and over and over again. And then I placed like another setup. I said okay, cool, like we had like a change of character on the smaller time frame. On a smaller time frame, like we had a change of character because like we kept on going up and up and up and up until like we broke this low. So after breaking this low, this is when I had my entry. So I had my entry somewhere around here. No, I won't lie. I didn't use that Fibonacci tool. I had my entry somewhere around here on this supply zone, for our supply zone. But because like this was supposed to be a continuation of this sales, I entered here and placed my stop loss above the initial stop loss zone, because already I had taken few profits somewhere around here. The reason why I took full profits early was because of this. This looked like a perfect, demand zone, but then initially it looked like that, but sometimes it might look like that, then that's not the case. You have to accept certain things about the market. And then I entered somewhere around here. I remember this position triggered like yesterday was Tuesday, right? So this position triggered on Tuesday, and I didn't enter on my instant account, funded account. So I left the trade around here, right? So you see what happened yesterday. I was holding, it went into profits and it came back. After coming back, it triggered somewhere around here last night. Yes, somewhere around here last night, and then it kept on playing. It went into profits, and in the morning, I think I was sleeping by the time it went back. So today around when London session opened, it shot down. Like you can see clearly on the 15 minutes that like we had a downward momentum, and I didn't enter on my instant funded account. That's because I don't want to put all my eggs in one basket, because the minute like I take losses like drastically. So I'd rather take losses small, like bit by bit, and then whenever like I'm sure of something, then I'll go all out. But even if like you're sure of something, the market might disappoint you, and that's the way it goes, man. You have to take it like one step at a time. And if I had to have a re-entry, I would say this was another liquidity was set at this point. But then I'm just gonna say change of character, because like kept on playing around, right? So this is like the initial zone that I'm gonna look into. The reason I'm seeing this, there's a point of interest here, supply zone, order blocks, and all those things, man. So if I had to enter off this zone, I would say let me take like my entry at this point. And guess what, guys? I was down by 9% drawdown, and I came back. I'm on minus 4% now, and that actually takes a skill, man. Patience and good risk management skills to actually do that. So if I can bounce back from that, I can bounce back from anything. So nonetheless, this was a boy Kimo Kamisha, and I'll be back with another video. Make sure you click that subscribe button and like, and I kept my promise on my side and said I'll be consistent this year, so I'm trying my best. Alright.